Oh boy, good morning. It's the next day after we got down. Yeah, I'm coming. Not in morning actually. Pretty much afternoon. Most people are back to work here today, but we're at the COSTCO, an American Costco. I want to see how this thing goes.
Kevin, look how many blue freaking labels.
Oh my God! This is what they were talking
actually
about.
gotta
One point something.
No.
Yeah, 750.
What the hell is this?
We
And
bought
look,
this
this is
for
special
Dad
box.
for his birthday, and we spent $300.
For blue label.
Yeah.
You like it?
No, he liked it, but like still $300.
All the expensive ones. It's all in.
Let me see this side.
Oh, there's a backside as well.
Like, you could have stepped up there again, like, you know.
What the hell? It's only $45. Yeah, I don't understand how these people make money here.
USOP Remy Martin, $40. I mean, yeah, we gotta take in the exchange rate, but still. Patron got down. Tanqueray is $25 for this big ass bottle. Jesus. Look at this shit.
Where are the
Freaking. Who's this to be expensive?
I love this too.
Oh, it's an England and different.
Yeah. I don't think it can go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this.
That's awesome.
I also buy this. I don't like this red shit. That's no problem. I'll show the stuff what I was looking at.
Crab legs. Down to this color.
Beef sausage in a pork catfish.
And the selection on the ready-made dinners are just nuts. Tacos, lasagnas.
I'm not a fan of the sweet thing.
Oh, okay. Do you like teriyaki stuff here?
It's okay.
Okay. Then we
I'd
can
much rather
just-
prefer.
That's why you don't get in Canada, man. You'll be getting some of those. The uncle said to get the English muffin and the Best Buy we're gonna go to.
Why Best Buy?
Has decor. Oh, that looks good. No, that looks good.
We'll swig it. I also want a coffee.
There you go, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Woo, coming out of Costco, got this, yo, what's this called? Cold brew mocha freeze. Let's give it a try. That's an ice cap on crack. That is so good. You taste the espresso and chocolate. It's so good.
I used to love that shit.
How is it? Try this. Oh shit, sugar going all over me. Got me regurgitating. Churro. This is huge too. That's a good ass churro. Chicken bake. Yeah, it's a little bit less sweet, but no, it's good though. Oh my god. Yo, that's good. It's like porky, fatty, and get the crisp too from the cheese. It's good. Good morning, goddamn. We're at the horse ranch right now. Whatever ranch it's called, I don't know. About to go horseback riding. This shit look crazy. Cold as hell, windy as hell. Gloves, mask, neck warmer, sweater, jacket, hat. Lost my sunglasses, goddamn. Bingy. Say hi, everybody. No wonder I was getting looks, goddamn. Can't bring no cameras in there. Walking around with this tripod and dead cat. Everybody's like, yeah, no, I can't bring that. So sneak my phone in. Shh. We finished the horseback riding. Yeah, they didn't let cameras in there, so that kind of sucked. Would love to vlog that, but so beautiful. We're on the California coast to the beach, just waves crashing. Rode through a river. It was insane. Like, unexplainable experience. It was really good. They didn't let cameras in there. Took a few sick pics. Insert pics here. At some famous secret garden, private garden. I'm gonna take some cool vids here too. So, yeah.
At least I'm not a what?
Modalam.
You are a modeling.
I am been enjoyed by
Judy,
people.
let's go. Let's go, Judy.
I know.
This is a plan we have at home. It's gonna take a couple of years. Both the guys are looking in different directions. Summer the road full of moody biking road kids full bike.
1 second. That's Kevin's. Just hold on to this for a second.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be freaking kidding me.
To save interstate traffic, they'll add an extra lane.
Oh, wow.
They're frozen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stupid road.
That's okay, you know.
go to an island on the other side. Sunset map பண்ணி வந்தோம் 5 o'clock sunset நாங்க அங்க இருந்திருக்கணும். ரோட க்ளோஸ் பண்ணாங்க.
Should we freak mom out and go over this?
Brian! You hold it a bit.
That's the biggest surprise, man. And if I tell you his name, you might know him.
What's his name?
His name is Gerald from Chennai.
Yeah. The red one.
Oh, they're red?
The red TV one.
There we go. This is the original. Thank you.
Welcome, enjoy. We're at the Oakland Mormon Temple. This place is beautiful. I came here well over 10 years ago and we're back today. Check out the Oakland skyline.
Yeah, whatever, let's go.
We should go up.
We have time. Okay, smile.
One more.
My mom loves his church too, huh? Tell your mom the same thing, okay?
Yeah.
Piggyback. You don't want piggyback?
No.
Why?
I don't.
Okay,
I
I'm gonna get you down.
Hey, Daddy!
Right now we're at this special cathedral that has insane architecture in all of California. It's only lit up by the natural sunlight, so in the night it doesn't look good. So you come right at the perfect time, you can see the inside looks gorgeous. That's the San Francisco skyline. Oh yeah, area!
Oh,
All the sudden I can smell like smoke.
thank God that's not us.
Lift up, son. Lift up the.
யாரோட வீடு இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. Some people live here. Can you imagine like every day people?
This is so annoying to live here.
Hell no.
I would never. Someone's always doing that.
Oh, and there's parking here too? Oh, come on.
style and we were
We're at a Anthony Bourdain approved restaurant right now. What's this restaurant called, Joe Loco?
R&G.
R&G Lounge.
Serious?
Can we get some hot chili here? Yeah, no problem. Thank you. You guys want me to switch to toilet?
Yeah.
Wait.